Hello, and welcome to your Lifestyle Solutions 360 Health and Wellness. I'm Vincent P. Grand, your host.
And I'm Jelena Blake, your co-host. Today, we're diving into diets, wellness, and science-backed strategies to help you thrive. No quick fixes, just honest insights.
Diets in general. Let's start with a reality check. The weight loss industry rakes in over $70 billion annually, but studies suggest many diets struggle long-term. For example, a classic 1959 study by Stunkard and McLaren-Hume found that only 5% of participants kept weight off after restrictive diets.
And newer research shows why. Extreme restriction triggers metabolic slowdown and psychological deprivation. As nutritionist Dr. Linda Bacon notes, sustainable change isn't about willpower, it's about working with your body. Instead of cutting carbs or calories overnight, focus on nutrient-dense foods you enjoy and habit stacking, like adding veggies to meals you already love.
Exactly. Which brings us to intermittent fasting, a trend with ancient roots, but modern appeal. Intermittent fasting.
Intermittent fasting isn't just about weight loss. It's a lifestyle that syncs with your body's natural rhythms. When you fast, your body shifts from burning glucose to fat for fuel, a process called ketosis. But here's the kicker. Fasting also triggers autophagy, where your cells recycle damaged components. Think of it as a cellular detox that slows aging and reduces inflammation.
But let's be real, fasting can be tough. Hunger pangs, low energy, and stress cravings often derail people. That's why pairing fasting with targeted support is key. Which brings us to Nagano Lean Body Tonic, the fasting companion.
If you're fasting, your body needs nutrients that work with your fasting window, not against it. Enter Nagano Lean Body Tonic, a supplement designed to amplify fasting benefits while tackling common roadblocks. Let's break down how its ingredients align with fasting science. 1. Energy and metabolism support. EGCG, green tea extract. Studies show EGCG boosts fat oxidation by 17% during fasting. American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2016. It's like giving your metabolism a gentle nudge while you're in that fat-burning zone. Cinnamon extract. Fasting can sometimes cause blood sugar dips. Cinnamon stabilizes glucose levels, reducing cravings and shaky energy.
Imagine this, you're 12 hours into your fast, and instead of reaching for a snack, your body's efficiently burning fat thanks to these ingredients. Second, stress and cortisol management. Jelena, did you know fasting can spike cortisol, stress hormone, in some people, leading to muscle breakdown or binge eating later? Nagano's ashwagandha is a game changer here. A 2022 meta-analysis found it lowers cortisol by 27 to 32%, helping you stay calm and focused during your fast. 3. Gut health and nutrient absorption. During your eating window, you want to maximize nutrient uptake. Nagano's probiotics and prebiotics, like chicory root, repair gut lining and improve absorption. Research shows a healthy gut can increase vitamin absorption by 50%, critical when you're eating fewer meals.
Think of it as prepping your gut to make every bite count.
4th, immune support for fasting. Extended fasting can temporarily weaken immunity. Nagano's Camu Camu delivers a megadose of vitamin C, 60 times more than an orange, to keep your defenses strong. When to take it?
For best results, take Nagano Lean Body Tonic during your fasting window. Its calorie-free formula won't break your fast, and ingredients like EGCG work synergistically with ketosis.
Pro tip, mix it with herbal tea or black coffee in the morning. It's a ritual that keeps you hydrated, focused, and fasting strong. Real-world success story. Let's talk about Sarah, a listener who shared her story with us. She combined 16.8 fasting with Nagano Tonic for 90 days. Her results: 18 pounds lost, mostly belly fat. Energy levels, like her 20s. No afternoon crashes or binge episodes.
Sarah's secret? She used Nagano not as a magic pill, but as part of a holistic routine. Fasting, whole foods, and daily walks.
Breathing techniques.
Picture this. Midday, hunger pangs creeping in, the mind drifting toward that tempting snack break. Instead of giving in, Sarah closes her eyes, takes a slow breath, and begins a calming routine known as 4-7-8 breathing. Over the next 2 minutes, breathing in for 4 counts, holding for 7, then exhaling for 8, she feels her stress melt away. Each measured breath brings her back to center, reminding her that even the smallest habits practiced consistently can create powerful change.
Let's try it together now. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 7. Exhale for 8. Repeat for 30 seconds.
Simple, right? Pair this with Nagano's stress-busting ashwagandha and you've got a recipe for fasting success.
Let's recap the holistic trifecta. Intermittent fasting unlocks fat burning and cellular renewal. Nagano Tonic fuels fasting with stress support, metabolism boosters, and gut health. Mindful habits, breathing, hydration, and sleep make it sustainable.
If you're ready to try this approach, click the link below and grab our bundle of free reports about diets and a free Fasting Plus Tonic starter guide, link below, with sample schedules, a shopping list, and stress management scripts. Next week, we'll explore yoga flows that pair perfectly with fasting. Until then, remember, health isn't a sprint, it's a lifestyle. Stay curious, stay fasting smart, and always be you.
Have a nice day.